Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to upload CapCut videos to YouTube on PC. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your CapCut application in your PC, and then you just have to select the project. After selecting your video, you just have to provide the features and the filters that you want to use in CapCut, and then you need to click on this export button in the top, and here you just have to provide the title of this video. So here you just have to provide the title, and then you just have to click on the export button. Now once you click on export, you will be able to see the YouTube option. So you just have to click on YouTube and it will redirect you in your YouTube Creator Studio automatically. So you just have to come here and then it will ask you to select your file. So you just have to click on it and you just have to select the file from your CapCut where you have added that file, and then you will be able to easily upload it on your YouTube channel. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.